From modern gold eagles to ancient money, this is your World Numismatic News Roundup, where each week we track the most interesting stories in coins and currency from around the world. The US Mint officially released its 2026 W American Eagle gold-proof coins on March the 5th. They form a part of the ongoing semi-quincentennial celebrations. Each coin features a special Liberty Bell privy mark with the numeral 250 alongside the dual dates of 1776 to 2026, marking the 250th anniversary. The coins are struck in 22-karat gold at the West Point Mint, and the design is a blend of classic and modern, with the obverse depicting a rendition of Augustus St. Gaudens's iconic image of liberty, holding a torch and olive branch, while the reverse features the modern eagle portrait introduced in 2021. You can buy these coins individually from a tenth of an ounce all the way up to a full ounce, or as a part of a complete 4-coin proof set. And while the gold eagles are grabbing the spotlight, the 2026 W Proof Eagle is already showing just how strong collector demand is. The coin carries the 1776 to 2026 dual date alongside the Liberty Bell privy mark, and the total mintage is capped at 500,000 coins. Now, so far, the US Mint sales numbers have been released and look impressive. About 295,410 coins have been sold individually, alongside the congratulations set, which clocks in at 39,195 coins, with a product limit of 60,000 coins, which means that these issues are both well on their way towards selling out, once the Mint makes them available for purchase again. Subscriptions have then also reopened for one of the more unusual coins in the 2026 lineup, the Enduring Liberty $half coins. What makes this coin stand out is that it's the first US $half since 1964, which does not include the portrait of President John F. Kennedy. Instead, the obverse shows a close-up portrait of the Statue of Liberty looking outwards, while the reverse depicts Liberty passing her torch to a new generation. Mint-branded rolls and bags go on sale on May the 5th, although unbranded examples have already started appearing through the Federal Reserve System. Early secondary market bank-wrapped rolls were selling for around $40 to $50 each, although prices have since cooled down a bit to the $20 to $40 range. Collectors who want to lock in their order early can still sign up through the Mint subscription program. And if you're wondering about Kennedy, don't worry, the Kennedy portrait is scheduled to return to the $half in 2027, paired with the new reverse designs depicting the youth and Paralympic sports programs. Up in Canada, meanwhile, the Royal Canadian Mint's March lineup is headlined by a brand new FIFA World Cup 2026 coin collection. And that makes sense, of course, since Canada is one of the host countries for the tournament. The gold releases include a 5-ounce $350 celebration coin, a 1-ounce $200 We All Play Together coin, and a 1/4-ounce $100 issue highlighting host cities Toronto and Vancouver. On the other side, one of the most interesting pieces is a 5-ounce coin called the Trophy. It features ultra-high relief engraving and an inset ring made of real malachite, making the first time that the Mint has used that gemstone on a coin. There is also several 1-ounce silver pieces, including the winning goal and a colorized coin entitled We Are 26. Outside the World Cup theme, the Mint is launching a new premium bullion coin called the Majestic Wolf, which becomes the first full-ounce gold release in that new series. March also includes a few other collectible pieces, like the silver set marking the 100th anniversary of Queen Elizabeth II's birth, and a special coin set to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Mint's Winnipeg facility, with which features a W mint mark. Over in the UK, the Royal Mint has revealed the 2026 Britannia proof collection. This year's design comes from American artist Emily Damstra, who portrays Britannia standing strong against stormy seas, surrounded by symbols of Britain's maritime power. Encircling the design is the phrase "Majesty, Justice, and Peace," which is a quote taken from Winston Churchill's 1941 address to the US Congress. On the obverse, the coins carry Martin Jennings's portrait of King Charles III. Collectors can purchase the series in several different formats, from a 6-coin gold proof set all the way down to individual silver-proof coins. One of the rarest pieces is the 1-ounce gold coin, which has a limited mintage of just 360 coins, spread across several product offerings. France's Monnaie de Paris has released a new set of coins honoring the legendary mystery writer Agatha Christie, marking 50 years since her passing in 1976. The coins are a part of the Mint's Art of the Pen series. 3 designs each highlights one of Christie's famous novels: The Murder of Roger Ackroyd, The Body in the Library, and the famous Death on the Nile. Each design places viewers directly inside the setting in the story, surrounded by characters and visual clues. The series includes €10 silver proofs, €20 high-relief silver coin, and €50 quarter-ounce gold coins featuring Christie herself. And there will also be a 4-coin silver box set with a limited availability of just 300 pieces. One of the most fascinating auction stories this week involves a recently discovered hoard of Iron Age coins in England. The hoard was found by Professor Tom Licence of the University of East Anglia in a field near Bury St Edmunds in 2024. Initially, he uncovered 17 gold coins, well, 16 and an additional fragment to be precise, but after returning to the site months later, he found one more coin, bringing the total to 18. The coins date from the reign of King Dubnuvelanos and include pieces issued by 2 ancient British rulers, Abadomaros and Dubnuvelanos, both of which ruled before the Roman conquest. When the hoard went up for auction at Noonan's in London, it sold for $33,200, or, well, roughly $44,000, beating its pre-sale estimate. Professor Licence has said that he plans to donate a part of the proceeds to help fund archaeological work in Suffolk. On the grading side of the hobby, NGC has announced new special labels for the 1776 to 2026 W Proof Gold Eagles. These include the West Point Mint Gold Star label, along with the familiar early release and first release designations. NGC and PMG as well were also accepting submissions at the Whitman Spring Expo in Baltimore, which ran from March the 5th through to 7. Collectors who purchased their coins directly from the US Mint booth at the show and submitted them on site could qualify for special designations like Baltimore Show Release or First Day Baltimore. Then finally, in the museum world, a new exhibit is opening at the Wake Forest University's Lamb Museum of Anthropology in North Carolina. The exhibit is titled Shelling Out: Traditional Currency from the Collection, and it opens on March 17th, 2026, and is planned to run through to March in 2027. The display explores how cultures from around the world used non-metal currencies, especially shells and similar items, long before modern money systems existed. One highlight is a 140-year-old Kina shell necklace. Interestingly, the modern currency of Papua New Guinea, the kina, takes its name from that traditional shell currency, showing how ancient economic traditions can still influence modern money today. And before we wrap up, a quick thank you to the WNN members who help support this work. Your support helps these weekly numismatic updates going. And if you missed last week's news roundup, you can watch it next, right here. For the World Numismatic News, I am Numisman saying thank you for watching, keep collecting, and have a fantastic day.